Hanji, good morning everyone. Today 24th of August 2021, going to discuss the assignment related to the topic Women Change the World. In this assignment, first question which I have shared right now in the WhatsApp group with you people for online and for offline, you will be going to get it within the class. What do you think stereotype about what women can or cannot do? This affect right to equality. अब हमारे माइंड में जो ये थिंकिंग बन जाती है स्टीरियोटाइप थिंकिंग that what perception already being created by the society member as we are grown up, that some things are done only for the male and some things can be done only by the females. This type of stereotyping thinking, is it affect on the equality? Our first question is this, and it is given on your back exercise. You can check. So the women are considered inferior to men. Women are considered inferior to men. There is belief that women do not have technical mind, therefore they cannot be, you can say, have scientific, to be scientific. Women are considered as inferior. They cannot be considered as a scientific temperament or scientific approach. And third point आप आ सकते हैं, it is thought that women are good only in the certain jobs like teaching and nursing. Women are good only for the certain jobs. And fourth point, these stereotypes about women's capability or incapability of doing certain jobs badly affect the women's right to equality. So, is the stereotype thinking is affecting the right to equality? Yes, it is affecting because already perceptions are there in the mind of common people that inferior girls are or women are inferior than the men because they do not have scientific temperament, they are weak, and they the stereotype thinking is already perceiving or already there in a society's people mind. Is it okay? First question is clear? Clear hai? Second question dekhiye. List the reason why learning the alphabet was important for women. Now this question is there. Learning the alphabet was, list the reasons why learning the alphabet was important for women. Is this question is there? So second question, who had learned from learning from alphabets? Name the lady. Rashumri Devi, exactly. Rashumri Devi, she has learned from the, you can say, learning the alphabet. Rashumri Devi, अगर हम लोग बात करें तीनों लेडीज की, पंडित and Rokia Shekhawat Hussain, they were able to achieve their goal in the field of education. They all had made their tremendous upliftment, or you can say development in the field of education. They attained their desirable goals, whatever they had tried to achieve. They were able to put impact on the society by writing their ideas in the form of stories. Rokia Shekhawat Hussain की अगर बात करें तो she has created a dreamland. अगर पंडिता रामाबाई की बात करें तो she has learned the Sanskrit language. और अगर हम लोग रशुमरी देवी की बात करें तो she has learned from the learning of alphabets, and she has also written her own autobiography called Amar Jeevan. So thus learning the alphabet was important because it will only help them in their day-to-day, अपने day-to-day social life about them and pursuing the education and their dreams. Whatever they had maintained or they have taken their dreams, they want to get the achievement in that. So we have to write all about the three ladies. One is Rashumri Devi, another is Pandita Ramabai, and third is Rokia Shekhawat Hussain. Is it okay? Then आ जाता है हमारा third question. Poor girls drop out in the school because they are not interested in getting education. Why? Poor girls are drop out from the schools because they are not interested. Is this perception is correct? No. As this perception is not correct, we know that scheduled tribes are considered to be as Adivasis, and scheduled caste are considered to be as Dalits. These categories. But the girls in this sections were getting the basic education in the earlier period, but they were not allowed to get the higher education and they were drop out. There were certain reasons behind that. First was poverty. First reason was poverty. Girls were not allowed to get the education. Second is size of the family. Family size is also big, so poor parents cannot afford to provide education to the girl child. So they prefer to give education to the boy as compared to the girl. Third point we have to write, there is a discrimination done by the teacher or by the classmates, as we have already done the example of Om Prakash Valmiki. Non-availability of the schools, non-availability of the transport facilities. So these are the basic reasons why girls are being dropped out from the schools in the early phase of her life. Is it okay? Is it okay, beta ji? Are you sleeping in the morning period? Then fourth question देखिए. Fourth question, can you imagine two methods of struggle with the women's movement used to raise the issue? Used to raise the issue. Two movement, women movement हमने कल 4 किए थे. Women's movement में हमने कौन-कौन से किया था? Campaigning, raising awareness, and women as a solidarity. Protection. So you can write here all the points that two methods are campaigning, raising awareness. These methods can be considered to be as a weapon in the hands of a woman to get acknowledged their work, to get their rights. And in this way, in 1980, 2006, different laws are being passed for the protection of the women, even in the workplace and educational institution, even at the home with the domestic violence and Dowry Protection Act. So all these are being achieved through the campaigning and you can say through the raising awareness. Is it okay? Clear है Jitesh? Next question आता है. Write a note on Pandita Ramabai. हाँ जी, Pandita Ramabai के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? Please write down. This is extra question. It is not given in the book. Write a note on Pandita Ramabai. Yes, that you have to write in the points. 5 points बनाएंगे. First is on 23rd of April 1858 to 5th of April 1922. Is it okay? So Pandita Ramabai, 23rd of April 1858 to 5th of April 1922. This is first point. Yes, Aditi, what do you want to say? She never went to school but learned, read and write. She never went to school. Can write all these points. She never went to school but could read and write from her parents. Then she was the first woman to be awarded with the title of Pandita because she could read and write Sanskrit. She was the first lady who got the title of Pandita. Is it okay? She founded a Mukti mission at Kheda Gaon. उसने मुक्ति मिशन बनाया at Kheda Gaon village in 1898. Then where the widows and the poor women were encouraged not only to become educated or literate but also to be independent. She taught their widow women and poor women to be learned and to become independent. She taught variety of skills. She taught variety of skills in her mission about carpentry and running a printing press, जो कि आज की डेट में इतनी सक्सेसफुली women's नहीं करती हैं. ठीक है? Fine. And then last point, she was taught a variety, she was a Indian social reformer. She was considered to be as an Indian social reformer. All these 5 points you have to write a note on Pandita Rama. ठीक है, पहले उसका birth वगैरह बता देना है. Then her contribution, she got the title of Pandita because she could read and write Sanskrit. Then she has started a Mukti mission in Khedagaon in 1848, and then she has given the protection to the women, poor women and a widow woman to become literate. And then she has given the practice of skill development like in the carpentry and printing press. And that institution is still. Is it okay? So next question aa jata hai aapka, that is, what is the percentage of women engaged in the agriculture workout in our country? That is 1 mark question. I had added because otherwise you will forget. That's why I had added. That is 83.6%. Is it okay? Then second last question. Sorry, last question. How did Lakshmi Lakra break down the stereotype that only men could imagine, men could be the engine driver? This was the question given. How Lakshmi Lakra break the stereotype that men could drive the railway engine? She was belonged to the tribal community of Jharkhand. She was not belongs to a rich family. Her parents were also illiterate. So that was the reason, but she was having a strong dedication and devotion in her mind. So Lakshmi Lakra broke the stereotype by saying men only could be the driver, because so many girls believe in stereotype. Many girls do not believe in the same support, and she tried to break that by breaking 3 stereotypes. उसने एक नहीं stereotype तोड़ा, उसने 3 stereotype तोड़े. कौन-कौन से? By riding the motorcycle. Second, she took the admission in the polytechnic, and third, by giving her first attempt clearance in the examination of becoming the railway engine driver. And at the age of 27, she became the railway engine driver. So in this way, she broke out 3 stereotypes, not only 1 stereotype. It is only belief in the hard work and dedication of a girl. Whatever a girl want to do, she can do. This is only her weakness is कि वो emotionally weak हो जाती है और वो कुछ करे. If she is targeting something with very bold decision, then definitely she can achieve. Is it okay? I hope all the question answers are clear to everyone. Shubhra, Tanish, is it okay to everyone? Will you be able to put your notebook? Yes. बच्चे हो जाएंगी नोटबुक सभी की?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. बेटा जी, लक्ष्मी लाकरा में whatever his own wording, that I accept the challenges, that can be added as a assertion and reasoning question. So please mark that answers also for assertion and reasoning. ठीक है? हाँ जी बेटा, कोई और डाउट? Listen, on page number 67, there are 4 glossaries written over there. One is stereotype. Second is discrimination. Third is violation. And fourth is sexual harassment. ये रहने दीजिए, फोर्थ रहने दीजिए, सिर्फ 3 करिए. ठीक है? 3 words you just have to learn. अभी रिवाइज करिए और मुझे सुनाइए बेटा जी. हरी up. Stereotype. When we believe that people belong to a particular group based on religion, wealth, language, are bound to have certain fixed characteristics. When we believe that one group or one section of society from religion, from different caste, from different gender, language, are bound to do certain fixed things. That you can say it as create a thinking of a stereotype. Girls are only can do teaching and nursing. Girls can play only with the toys, dolls or kitchen articles. ठीक है ना, toy houses. And boys can run all the bullets, cars, jeeps. So these types of stereotype thinking already prevailing among the society members. Boys are not supposed to cry in front of the society. These are the protocols, these are the mindsets or the stereotype thinking. So can you write, hurry up? Please learn within 2 minutes. I am going to take the answer from your side. Hurry up, learn it. Stereotype. जी कौन सुनाएगा बेटा जी? Stereotype. चलिए कृष. Okay, Tanish, you tell. Good. Tanish, unmute yourself.
Stereotype is when we believe people belonging to particular language, wealth, etc. are bound to have certain fixed characteristics.
Okay. And what about Aditi?
When we believe that people belonging to different groups like language, wealth, etc. bound to have certain fixed
Yes,
characteristics.
Very good, Aditi. Very nice. Here also everyone has done. So that's good. Second point is discrimination. Discrimination को हिंदी में कहते हैं भेदभाव. लिख लीजिए. Discrimination को हिंदी में क्या कहा जाता है? भेदभाव. When we do not treat people equally, means we try to discriminate equally. With respect, we are indulging in discrimination. If we are not treating people equally, it means we are making some kind of discrimination. So indulging in the discrimination, this happens when people or the organization act on their prejudice. अपनी नीतियों पर वो चलते हैं, अपनी मतलब अपनी theories पर वो चलते हैं that some section of the society is considered to be as a superior, another section of the society is considered to be as a inferior. ठीक है? So one section which is considered themselves as a superior are considering to make the discrimination with regard to assess all the public facilities, all the you can say equal rights from the you can say other section which are considered to be as a एक वो सेक्शन जो अपने आप को सुपीरियर समझ रहा है वो इक्वल राइट दूसरे सेक्शन को देता ही नहीं है. ठीक है? So that is considered to be as a discrimination. Discrimination usually take place when we treat someone differently or make a distinction. Discrimination कब होता है? जब हम लोग दूसरे पर्सन को डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के साथ देखते हैं और उनके साथ इक्वल जस्टिस जो है वो मेंटेन नहीं करते. Is it okay? Then violation. Violation का मतलब क्या है? When someone forcefully, violation होता है हिंसा, झगड़ा करना, लड़ाई करना, weapons चलाना, मार कुटाई करना, that is violation. ठीक है? Violation means when someone forcefully break the laws or rules or openly show dishonest or openly show disrespect. We can say it here he or she is committed violence. When some section of the society are going to use some you can say openly show disrespect and using some kind of forceful to break the laws, that is called violence. I hope all these are clear to you. So tomorrow we will be going to start our next chapter, how the state government works. ठीक है?